Hello, I am Lokwon Kim, the CEO of DEEPX. DEEPX is a company that working for AI semiconductors for AI everywhere. We're delighted to be here. To join, to participate in this event. The topic of this presentation is toward the era of AI everywhere. AI technology has been a great, has been highly sophisticated, and now it is time for AI to become commonplace. The most important thing for AI is to become, ubiquitous, so that we can use AI as a utility like Wi-Fi. There has been a great change on Earth. Since 2010. In 2010, the number of electric devices connected to the internet was 5 billion. Now the number is heading towards 7 billion. So the data size emitted by these devices will reach 180 zettabytes. This means humans can no longer, process the data. And now we need AI technology to process, this data right away. And even worse, over 40% of the data requires real-time processing. So now we need on-device AI to process this data right away.